Today I've been tasked with doing a refrigerant leak search. Unfortunately, it's not this one. I'm sure this one has a leak somewhere, but there's signs of oil on this unit right here, and they did a gas and go this weekend and they just wanted me to come check it. First thing I'm gonna do is warm up the infrared detector, and I need this away from the unit because I don't want any false readings. I'm gonna pull the plug on this one. It's not doing anything. Lots of oil. Getting a little bit of a reading right here. Oh. And we got a 99 right here. You can see the oil stain. Let's see if it's repairable. I doubt it. Pulling the power. Gonna remove the bottom panel and see if we can find out exactly where it's leaking. It doesn't take long to do this. It's gonna be hard to find the leak if I'm relying on the detector because it's so windy out right now. This should pull out and slide down. Now I can access the area in question. And it is. Gonna put all this back together and then put the unit back in service. And going to recommend a replacement A2L. "15 minutes to pinpoint that leak and put everything back on." When you're gassing up a system, this is going to be very important, especially in the future with a lot of these units going to A2L. You're going to need a refrigerant leak detector, and the way you find leaks fast is look for signs of oil. Use the leak detector around the signs of oil and use the bubbles to confirm it.